Hello, in this video we are going to look at setting up Python so you can program in the programming language Python on a Linux machine. These steps are the same whether you're on Ubuntu or whether you are on Kali or some other Linux distro. So what you want to do is open up Terminal, and Python is usually already bundled with Linux distros, and the way you can find out is by putting Python free, assuming it's version 3, and then put dash dash version at the end. You could also do Python 2, for example. So the latest version I have is 3.5.2, so you can also update Python using this command. You can do sudo apt-get update, and then put in the password for your username. Okay, so now you just do sudo apt-get install Python, and then the version number, like 3.5, for example. I've already got a new version installed, so I won't be doing that. And if I need to download extra files, I can deal with that later. Okay, and that's it. So to actually run the application, all you have to do, so first of all, let me actually create a simple Python file. So I'm going to put in print, and I'm going to say hello world, save it. I'm going to save it on the desktop. I'm going to save it as hello.py. py is the Python extension for files. As you can see, it's appeared right there. So to run it, there's a couple of different ways. Yeah, you need to use the Python command, and then you could drag it like so. That works. Or you could change directory to wherever your file is located, and then just do Python and the file name, like so. So both methods are valid. This has just been a quick video on how to set up, use, and run Python files on a Linux distribution. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.